Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our math lesson today about measuring line segments using millimeters. You will need your ruler for this lesson. Please look carefully at the centimeter side of your ruler. What do you notice between the numbers? You might notice that there are many small lines between the numbers on the centimeter side of the ruler. Let's draw the centimeter side of the ruler as if it was below a magnifying glass. I'm going to draw it larger. So here we have 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters. I'm going to put cm for centimeter. You will notice that there are a lot of very small lines between 0 and 1 centimeter. And if you count those lines, you'll notice that there are 9 lines, which means 10 spaces. So let's first divide it in half. That would be right in the middle. And then let's make 4 other lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So you will notice that there are 10 tiny lines between each centimeter. So each of those 10, these are 10 spaces, not 10 lines. There are 10 spaces between each centimeter. Those 10 spaces are called millimeters. The abbreviation is mm. They are called millimeters. So 1 centimeter is the same or equal to 10 millimeters. And you can also see that the same markings would be between 1 and 2 centimeters. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces. That would be another 10 millimeters. So now, at this point, we have come to 20 millimeters. So you can see that 2 centimeters is the same as 20 millimeters. If you're holding your fingers close to one another, they're almost touching to make a millimeter. That's how small a millimeter is. So let's talk about a little bit about what it would be like if you just went maybe 2 millimeters past 2 centimeters, right here. If I said, how many millimeters is that? Well, you would see that so far we've gone 10 millimeters right here, 20 millimeters right here, and then 2 extra millimeters. So that would be 22 millimeters. 22 millimeters is the same as or equal to 2 centimeters plus 2 extra millimeters. That would equal 22 millimeters. So let's think about how many millimeters there would be in 4 centimeters. See if you can answer that question in your head. Let's count by tens. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. 2 centimeters, 20. 3 centimeters, 30. 4 centimeters, 40. 40 millimeters. The same would be for 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters would equal 70 millimeters. So we can see today that when we measure by centimeters, we can measure very tiny amounts of lines, very tiny spaces. And that's the side of our ruler called the metric side of our ruler, which is used in many countries in the world. Not as much in ours, but we're learning how to use it. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson today, and I'm sure we will be learning more and more about drawing and using our ruler on the metric side or the centimeter side with the tiny little millimeters in between. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and now you can get to your written work today, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye-bye.